Ever made a binding you were embarrassed to show anyone? Well, I have a story for you. Thank you for tuning in. I am Jenny K. Parks with Jenny K. Quilts. I've taught hundreds of videos teaching all about quilting for Quilt Maker Magazine, for Quilter's Newsletter, for Fawns and Porter's Love of Quilting, all kinds of blocks of the month, plenty of tutorials, and lots of stuff on my own YouTube channel. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so here's my story. Now, as a beginning quilter, I really struggled with bindings. I would get wavy borders. I would get wonky corners. I would try a tool and then I'd lose that tool. And then by the time I got around to doing a binding again, I would forget how I figured out before and I'd have to start all over. This is the absolute worst. Okay, so I was working in a local quilt shop and I needed to finish a quilt. It had to be delivered the next morning to be photographed to be included in a book. Everything was wonky. I was frustrated. I was stressed out. It was not good, guys. Wait till you see this. Look at that wavy part. Bindings ain't supposed to be wavy, people. This is not just a bad corner. This is a cry for help. Enough. I decided it was finally time to figure this out. I wanted a method that would be easy to remember, quick to do, it would have straight edges, mitered corners, and I had to be able to teach beginner quilters. So that's what I did. Check out my before and after. In this workshop, you'll learn how to prepare and stitch your binding, how to make beautiful mitered corners, how to hide those ends, add decorative stitches, and get those quilts done. Still not sure? Check out these reviews. It's pretty good. Isn't it time to finally get binding figured out? Sign up for the Beautiful Machine Binding Workshop today. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.